I'm Hannah from WTI, and Chin would like you to know about his favorite water bowl. This is the Petmate Gravity Waterer in the half-gallon size. So this comes with 3 parts. The lid has a place for a filter if you need to have filtered water. The bowl here, which is dishwasher proof, is actually coated in microban, so it prevents the growth of bacteria or that sliminess that always gets in those pet waters. And it is so easy to put together. You just fill up the container there, twist the top on, and when you put it in the bowl, it locks into place so you don't have to worry about it getting knocked over. If you have a larger animal that likes to drink out of it like I do, Soka here is about 60 pounds, and between her and the cat, neither of them knock it over, which is a huge plus. So Ray gives this water bowl 2 paws up, and that is our point of view.